What's up guys, Tim Queen here, and today we're going to talk about how you can hack airline seating. Now whenever you're booking an air ticket, you will notice that most airlines will try to upsell you on premium seating. So what they will normally do, they will offer you to have a randomly allocated seat, or they will offer you to book your seat right there and then. So normally we'll get different prices depending on if you have a window seat, if you're sitting in the aisle or in the middle, or if you have more leg space. Now here's the thing, most airlines, when you select randomly allocate the seat, will use their algorithm to assign a seat which is most unpopular. Usually some seat in the middle, or some seat where it's like a bit more crowded or a bit more noisy, a bit further away from common areas such as the bathroom. The mistake that you're making is, if you're checking early, there's always enough unpopular seats available. Now as the airline is filling up those unpopular seats, the only seats left are the most popular ones, because those are the seats that people are most willing to pay for. So what you're going to do is you're going to wait, you're going to look up when is the cutoff time when you can check in, and you're going to check in as late as possible, because what's happening, the further you go in time, the more people check in, the more people randomly get a seat allocated, will fill up the unpopular seats, then only the popular seats are left, then some of the people will check out some of the popular seats. So in the end, the only seats available are actually really good seats. Now if you want to learn more about this, there's a really cool article by a mathematician who has done the research on different airlines about this. I've tested this myself and this worked really well. Now how can you use this knowledge to get more than just a really great seat on your next flight? The key takeaway that I want to give you is there are algorithms everywhere, and they are working to the company's favor. They want to get the best possible results for them, so the company makes the most amount of money. And that's true for any place, anywhere in the world. It's true on social media, on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and especially also on LinkedIn. Now, if you don't understand the algorithm and the motivation of the company, you will always be the stupid person who's paying extra. And what I've done for LinkedIn, I figured out what is the LinkedIn algorithm all about and how can we use it to our advantage. So we are getting premium seats for free without having to pay, for example, for very expensive LinkedIn advertisement. Now, if you want to learn more about how to use the LinkedIn algorithm to generate more leads for your business, you can check out my LinkedIn Accelerator program, where I share my exact breakdown of the entire LinkedIn algorithm and how you can use that to create content on the platform to generate a ton of new leads and find new customers and clients for your business. And if you want to get more videos about YouTube marketing and LinkedIn marketing, also make sure that you hit the subscribe button, turn the notification bell on, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.